Hi friends, today I'm making a superhero cape just for you. Quick reveal. We'll look at friendly pictures and videos from Pexels.com and use only safe, no copyright music. First, let's gather things. A soft piece of fabric or an old pillowcase, a ribbon or Velcro, fabric glue or strong fabric tape, big felt stickers or felt shapes, non-toxic fabric markers, safety scissors for a grown-up time. Please help with all cutting and glue. Step 1. Spread the fabric on a table. Make sure it's clean and smooth. We want the cape to be short, so little feet don't trip. About knee length is great. Step 2. At the top, make a small fold, like a little tunnel. Add fabric glue along the edge. Press, press, press. Let it dry. Step 3. Slide a ribbon through the tunnel. If you have Velcro, a grown-up can stick 2 soft tabs at the ends, so it opens easily. Step 4. Time to decorate. Draw a big star, maybe a lightning bolt. You can add your first letter, like S for super. Press on big felt stickers. Colors make it bright and happy. Step 5. Try it on. A grown-up ties a gentle bow or uses the Velcro. Make sure 2 fingers can fit under the ribbon. Now, stand tall. Hands on hips. Super pose. Whoosh. Pretend to fly safely in place. Tiptoe, twirl slowly, smile big. Cleanup time. Caps on markers. Glue away. High five. You did it. Your very own superhero cape. Be kind, be brave, and use your powers to help. Bye, friends. See you next time for more gentle fun making with pictures from Pexels.com.